In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill orders on Shopify. By the end, you'll feel confident moving from a new order to a completed fulfillment without missing anything important. First, head to your Shopify Admin home. Make sure you're signed in with the right permissions so you can access orders and make changes. From the left-hand menu, click Orders. This is your central hub for everything that's been purchased in your store. You'll see a list of orders along with their current status. If you have a lot of orders, you can quickly find the one you need by using the search bar or filters. But for now, just select the specific order you want to fulfill to open its details. Inside the order, take a moment to review the essentials. Confirm the items purchased, quantities, and any variants like size or color. Double-check the customer's shipping address and the shipping method they selected. It's a good habit to scan the order timeline too. This shows payment status and any previous updates, which helps prevent mistakes. Now you're ready to enter your fulfillment details. Look for the fulfillment section on the order page. If you're shipping everything at once, leave the quantities as they are. If you only have part of the order ready, adjust the quantities to reflect a partial fulfillment so the remainder stays open for later. Choose your shipping carrier from the drop-down so tracking links work properly. And paste in the tracking number exactly as provided by your shipping service. Accuracy here is key. Clean tracking information helps customers follow their package without questions. If you're shipping from multiple locations, make sure the correct location is selected so inventory is reduced in the right place. Before you finalize, you'll usually see an option to notify the customer. Turning that on sends an automatic email with tracking details, which saves you time and reduces support tickets. Once everything looks correct, items, quantities, carrier, and tracking, click the Fulfill button. Shopify immediately updates the order status, deducts inventory for the fulfilled items, and posts an update to the order timeline. If you chose to notify the customer, they'll receive the tracking information right away. That's it. Back on the orders page, you'll see the order marked as fulfilled or partially fulfilled, depending on what you shipped. If anything changes, you can come back to the order to add additional tracking or complete the remaining items. With this simple flow open, review, add fulfillment details, and click Fulfill, you'll keep orders moving smoothly and your customers informed every step of the way.